Dad and Gabe.
Say hi, buddy.
Hi, Gabers. What do you think? He loves his backpack. There you go.
Not the buddy.
Penny swimming.
Oh, honey, this is so much fun. Say hi, buddy. Gaber. Hey. Hey, potato. Hi. We're having fun. You okay?
Yeah, well.
Yeah?
Yes. So far, so yeah, he's fine. Brilliant idea. I think he's filming, yeah.
Hey. Hi.
Gaber!
Gabe, who's that?
Gabe! He just wants to look at the dog.
Who's that?
Up the hill.
All done with our walk.
He had some lunch.
Hi.
He's nice on ocean. Plenty of ocean. Honey, you stay. Sit here and have some lunch.
Hi, girl dog. Stay.
I think it's, perfect.
Uh-huh. That turns into a booster chair or something.
Yeah,
Mmm, turkey.
honey, you wait. Maybe have a piece of cheese.
Yum, yum.
Here's some cheese. Cheese. You like cheese. That's cheese. You like cheese. How about cheese? Like a garbage can.
Honey, you hungry? Oh. Oh, what a good girl. What a fun picnic. Good girl. What do you think, Gaber? Yum, yum.
Very funny. Well, let's wait until we're done chewing. Gabe, would you like to play? Gabe.
I see you.
I'll see you in a minute, but
You want some mangoes, buddy?
it's turkey. You ate all the cheese. Here's a little cheese. I told you it's right here. Here. That's cheese. Here's some more cheese.
See if we like the mango.
Oh, does it? I mean, he does, because he's had it many times. This is pretty chunky.
You hunting for something, honey?
Hey, Gabers.
No mango? Try again.
A banana fiend. Oh. I could have sat the other way where we weren't staring into the sun.
Mangoes. He's got sunblock on, right?
Yeah. Everything else is covered.
What a good dessert.
We'll go down there in a minute. He has been doing that though, like on the dining room table, like grabbing for anything as he's eating.
Turkey and mangoes?
Ah, that mango. 4 pieces of turkey.
What do you want, huh? And what a good puppy.
Wow. Where can I get some more dirt? Ah.
No.
With you. Ooh, cool. What you got? They're laughing at you.
Oh, Gabe.
It's grass.
It's not dessert.
You had dessert. You had mango. 4 pieces of turkey, a whole string cheese, and lots of mango.
Huh.
You're on your pants. Good job. Where you gonna go? There's Hunny. Come over here. Oh, nice leash. You gotta learn how to get down. You can't get down forward. You gotta go down like that. There you go.
Okay, Gabe, time to go home. Gaber, hey. You learn how to do that from Bear. Bye-bye.